Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install FSR Frame Generation in Silent Hill F. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to check my video description for this link. Just scroll down and go to Files and select the manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into the site guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account. And then select the slow download option and it will downloads done. After done, you just need to right click and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract done, just make it as left and right side. Just need to check my video description for this text used in my video. Just copy and paste in the address bar and press enter. And you will be in this location, guys. Just drag and drop this engine folder to here. Just right click and select properties. Make sure read only is checked. And as you can see, the path we pasted correctly. And now just close stuff here and open the game. After you are in the game, just press the escape key and go to options, go to graphics and scroll down. Anti-aliasing, change this to FSR, change this whatever you want. And then just go back. Now, that's how you can install FSR Frame Generation in Silent Hill F. That's it for today, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.